Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alweta M. I'm from class at 1. What's the number is A1B 22, 30, and 24. So I made this video special for my class listening and speaking for academic purposes, and the video about a lecture. So my assessment is summarized from the video about the lecture. So this is my summarize, and let's go. And student view lectures an integral part of the learning experience. Effective lectures and deliver and a well of information to many students simultaneously and simultaneously. However, the quality of lecture greatly influences the effectiveness. Common issues in lectures include lack of student interest and lecture enthusiasm. Okay, the issues of the use of a technology such as table-based voting system and playback and video playback can enhance student participations. Role-playing during lectures can also help keep students attentive. To ensure a positive learning experience, it is important to instructors to engage students in discussions and interactive activities rather than relying solely on slide presentation. Additionally, you can enhance students' concentration and engagement by considering optimal lecture timing. And thank you so much for listening my summary. See ya guys.